Kalong shisha ka sngi ka bansa jingkat mau haka history jong ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School kamtam na kamenta ki borong peniat jong ka school. Haka ba menta ka sngi lala ban pen urlong ya ka jing pok sneu ka bala slem kata ban plie paidbah no ya ka ying school ka thymmai na kamenta ka higher secondary ka badon ya ka class 11 mat class 12 science but art stream. Ya ka ni ka Skul Building lawan ban plie paidbah dau ba Merrill Bonds MLA ka nong pok constituency kum ukongsan. Ya ka ni ka building ka thymmai jong ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School late ya ka klem kano ka jingerap na ki bor sarkar henrei la plut hi da ki bor school lembat ka balang katelik ka balas dang bantei na du usnem arja khatsan balala pat ban pendep no bat ban plino eka haka jinglut ka balakot arkrur tengka la sakhilang ru haka ni ka sngi da Father Bernard G Pala parish priest ka balang katelik nong po parish Father Glorious Imli parish priest ka balang nong thymmai ka Sister Gemar Khar principal ka St. Paul School uba V nongben DSEO lembat kiwe kiri rongba kinong hikai ki khna school bat ki kmi kikma nakaliang uba Merrill Bonds kum ukongsan ulai ka jingero ka bakrau halor ka jinglen lade da ki bor nong peniat jong ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School ki balala ban shem ya ka jingket kli ka bakhia ban tei ya ka Skul Building klem kino jingerap na we ulai ru ya kino hikai ki balala shisha ban ai ya ka jing sakri ban peniar yo jeli jong ka jingnang jing start hapo ka ne ka than ula airu ya ki kentin kentu kan pham sabaro ki khna school makin long ki baburom ya ki kimi kikpa kinong kai bat ki bahalor ki jongki kham tamro ban kiar na ki jingdi basniu bat ban minap top hala ki jing puli khana bakin kiu haka jingim ga jongki lapan phu penping ya kane ka program lengba ki jingroi ba ki jingshat balapan i da ki khna school jong ka St. Paul Higher Secondary School.
It is my honor to be here. It is my privilege to be together with all the family of Nongpo Parish. Segi ke besar jing ke mau abang ini ada lengkap lagi. Pada segi yang ada segi kaba terbang, kaba kejing pos new, kajong inong yalam, lala aban penurlong yang ada segi kaba job. Kaba ngilala aban plie yang ada yin school, kaba ikna school kena aban pendenkam. Patung ke school authority baro tinla aban pedenkam ya ka. Adu senam ka kendai spak san pulai, adu belas seng di kene school. Nriusan tadi senam gilale. Dinong seng, dinong elam di kene school. Ki beladan ke benta ka crown adu ke por belas seng. Commission ke beladan ke benta ka crown. Ki father ke beladan ke benta ka crown. Ki orang pak kilong kemi ke beladan ke benta ka crown adu ke por. Ban penurlong ya ka di school bakalong kumne bakalong to kani thapti na ka banta ki to gilong din jomi ki balik ki balong ki nongseng ya ka di school bakalong kumne bakalong jadi ai borom ki ki beladan ka banta baro age po ke balik ban ngi scam bagi di jingalang ki to play try kedra bangila ban yen bangila ban long kumne ko bangilong ban ngi scam age po ke padang wanru boleh bang donderkan bani alam mereka ke school bandang kiu nak away ke por syak away pan along ke por ke basngau tenat hadu kata-kata agaba nidon habukum kani kerensan ni kemau ya ki kentin na po ke bible asam ke basispa artinya kapong na daw try unte ke ying itre le no e ibate ya ka la daw try umda ya kanong ba ino e kinong pe kanong apura namar kata kani ketika misim ya ka di kena school ba e kinong hikai ikimi gikpa bagalong kum ka temple ka bakut ka bakordor kayin ka batentang ha ka baginla ban sanjur ha ka bagikun giksi gijungi ini yo yang jenang di start lomba juga di school. Ini scam lomba ijing kerku kerdo lomba ifadar Glorious Assembly ini kalau ijing kerku di school balate ya ka bagi scam bahkan long sisa kajing kerku kajing mentoy naga bentang jong hilang baro. Kalau gege ke besar tenang abang idon nak hukum kene kesegi ke besar jing kan mau abang idon nak hukum kini ki jingelang ni juga mau agi por ke beladap Sya'renga bagan pedonkam bagan English kato gani. Remember about the teachers, about the school. We always remember about one eminent personality, that is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who is a philosopher, who is a scholar, exemplary teacher, who dedicated his life toward education and shaping up the youth of his country, who is the first vice president of our country, who is the second president of our country. He is an inspiration who encouraged the young generation right from the 40s, the 50s and the 60s till now. We remember and celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September to commemorate his birthday. This great personality has left his footprint so that the young generation could follow. We remember the famous quote of Swami Vivekananda. The famous quote is that, "Arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal." This is the kind of motivation to our dear students who have a bright future to come. You have a long way to go. Dear students, it is high time that you have to respect your elders, that you have to respect your teachers, you have to respect your parents, and you have to respect everybody. Our lovely teachers, being the second parents, almost half of the time in a day, most of the students you spend your time at the school, where we regard our lovely teacher as our second parents.